Okay, let's show how to disconnect the plugs, the sockets of the machine. First is the elevating conveyor. This plug and the socket. Disconnect them. Okay, let's do the next one. This plug and the socket. And then the sensors amplifier. Press the button and push it, the cover, and then follow the lines. And then close the switch of the power, and then close the air source. And finally disconnect the plug to the power supply sockets. Okay, let's start to connect them together. Okay, connect the plug to the power. Open the switch of the power and then connect the air source. When we deliver the machine, the line is like this. It's together with the vibrator and the sloping track. When the machine arrives you, please put these two lines in and connect them. The two sensors, the first one is the upper one, and the second one is the lower one. This is the upper one, and this is the lower one sensor. You can find like this line to the upper sensor, and it goes like this. When the line is inserted in, you will need to close the cover to fasten it, and close the transparent cover. And then let's connect this plug and the sockets together. Okay. And finally, the elevating conveyor, these sockets and the plug. Okay. And it's done. The left one is connected to the upper sensor, and the right one is connected to the lower sensor. The upper sensor is this line. You see? The left one is for the upper sensor. Let's show how to put the tubes into the machine when you first start the machine or change a new roll of a deep tube. Find the one end of the tube and insert from the acrylic wall. Pull up with the sensor bar. This can detect whether the tube is there.
这个要在管子上面，不让它报警。
If this is not above the tube, the machine will stop. Because this sensor tells the machine that the deep tube is not there. Cut. And back. And after that, the machine can start with the production.